Hi everyone! How are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Please come and join me make some chocolate banana cake with walnut. Yan, with walnuts. Yan, I use 3 eggs. 3 whole eggs. Yan, and then beat the eggs. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yan. It smells really good. And then I'm gonna add half cup of olive oil. Mix it really good. Then I'm gonna add 4.5 very ripe bananas. Yan. So we don't waste those our old bananas sitting on our counter. Yan, para yung saging usually pagka lumang-luma na hindi na kinakain. Ayan, gamitin natin sa paggawa ng cake. Ayan, then mash it. Higain po siya yung ano ba yung higain? Masahin yan. Para sumama siya, maimik siyang mabuti later on. Yan. And then we're gonna mix our powder, the dry ingredients. Yan. I'm gonna use 2.5 cups of organic all-purpose flour. That's 2.5 cups. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And 1 cup of organic, no sugar chocolate powder. It's pure, no sugar added. And then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And then you zip. Isara po ang plastic. You can use any kind of zip or plastic you wanna use. Yan. And then mix it really well. Then add your dry ingredients to your liquid ingredients. Add them together. Yan. Then mix it up. Haluin po siya na mabuti. And I'm gonna add citrus. One small lime juice. Para po umalsa ang flour, para ma-activate ang baking soda. Yan. Yeah, mix it really well. There's still a little bit of lumpiness in there, the baking soda. And right there, mix it up. Pag natapos na pong haluin, after mixing it up, then you're gonna add your other ingredients, whatever kind of walnuts you like, or nuts I should say, if you like nuts. That's my steamer, pot steamer. That's where you're gonna put your stuff, your batter, or your batter batter. Then add as much walnut as you want. You can add walnuts, you can add almond nuts, just slivered almond nuts if you like, or if you like, you can use a different kinds of nut or hazelnut. Yeah, that is so good. I use the cheapest nuts, which is the walnut, and then pour it in your steamer. Yan, steamer pot, or pot steamer. And you have to use the liner to hold your batter inside. Yan. So much easier to clean as well. I mean, mas mabilis maglinis kasi hindi masyadong madudumihan ang pot. Yan. And then add a little bit more nuts on top if you like. Yan. Don't waste anything. Put everything in there. Yan. And then after that, I'm gonna make sure you flatten it up really well. You know, everything is covered on the side. Yan, kailangan mapunuan yung mga may gap sa side. Yan. And then I'm gonna add some ingredients, the main ingredients. What do you call that? Ground cinnamon. You can add up to 2 tablespoons if you like. And this one I put 1.5. 1.5 to 2, or you can add just 1 if you. It depends on you. Nasa sa inyo po yan kung anong gusto nyo, lasa, matapang, ano. And then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yan. Kasi I didn't put any sugar in the batter. The sugar is gonna be on top, so when you bite it, it has a little sweetness to it, but it's not that sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you're enjoying my video. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you. Let it cool down first before you serve it. Bye. Have a great day. Thanks.